Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shay Antonin and I am an international beauty guide for Limelight by Elcone. Limelight by Elcone is a professional makeup line and we've paired it with a all-natural skincare line made with organic ingredients. I am absolutely in love with basically everything that they've come out with. It continues to blow my mind. And recently they have launched a subscription box, which really excites me, and it is available here in Canada. It is $57 Canadian and $38 US. It's available on my website. And the boxes will have a value of anywhere from $65 to $125 Canadian in it. You can cancel or pause it at any time. There is a free gift with your 6-month subscription. So if you have 6 months consecutive, you will get a free gift with that. So I have just received my first box in the mail and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got in it. So spoiler alert, if you want to subscribe and you don't want to know what's going to be in your box, I suggest you stop watching now. Anyhow, so it's coming in this really cute little Amaze box here. And on the inside, it says Amaze Yourself. And I have everything falling out of it. Now there's going to be a combination of like little recipe cards and stuff. There's going to be travel size stuff. There's going to for sure be full size products in it. This month you get a cute little questionnaire thing on it. It says every day should feel like summer is Friday. Amaze Yourself, Limelight by Elcone. And then there's this little questionnaire in the back. This cute little business card, and in the back it says the 2 most important days you are in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. So that's super cute. Nice little cute little sticker here, some sunglasses because summertime is upon us. And then you get this nice little card that says what you are receiving inside. It's going to kind of give you a little breakdown of what is in each product, kind of the price value of what you've gotten. So this month in this box, we are receiving a full-size 40 Cure Cream. This is a retail value of $48 Canadian. This is a must-have product of mine. I love to use it on my kids. I use it for diaper rash, which was really awesome because it's all natural, made with organic ingredients. It has lavender and traminoo seed in it. It's amazing for eczema. A must-have if you struggle with eczema. I am a hairdresser as well, so I struggle with dry hands during the winter, and this saved me this year. This made the biggest difference. And I have had quite a few of my personal clients say that this has worked amazing on their eczema. So I also recommend this for anyone whose kids have eczema problems. It's just a wonderful product. Also really great for sunburn. So really nice that we got this time of year in our kit. Next, I got a travel size Sotox. So Sotox, it has a nickname of Botox in a bottle. It is made of the Sonji mushroom. It has natural anti-aging ingredients in it. It's going to help with dark spots, your wrinkles. I have started using it a couple months ago and I was toying with the idea of Botox. Not something I was really a fan of the grand idea of it all though. And I started using the Sotox because I was getting quite bad frown lines in here, and I really truly have noticed the biggest difference with this product here. The full size price on this one is $56 Canadian. So this is a good size travel. This is for sure going to last you a good month, I would say. You don't need a lot of it. It's good for all skin types. I really do love this ingredient right here, this product right here. It is one of my staples, so I'm excited to have a travel size that I can bring with me when I do go places and not have to bring full-size bottles, which is really nice. But it's a great way to try the products without committing to a full-size one. But if you do ever order a full-size one off my website, Limelight does have a 30-day love it guarantee. So if for some reason your skin doesn't work well with any of the products, I haven't run into that problem yet with anybody, but you can always send it back. And then another product I got is the Enduring Lip Color. This is in the shade Macaroon. I do love this shade. I think it's a fabulous shade on pretty much anybody. I haven't run into anyone that I've put it on that I'm like, ooh, that doesn't look great. The Limelight Enduring Lip Colors, the full size, is $26 Canadian. This is an enduring lip color, so it goes on like a mousse and it sets and it's going to last 6 to 8 hours, but it doesn't make your lips feel super dry and crusty and cakey. So I'm really excited about that one as well. That is everything in this month's subscription box, so a pretty good price point, I would say. Definitely, I would recommend this one. It's a great way to try some more products out, and you're going to get a lot of travel size things, so it's a good way to dip your toes in a little bit of everything. If you have any questions, feel free to get in contact with me. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I will see everybody later. Thanks, guys.